Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### Java to Python Converter Online Tool, a tutorial. Java and Python are two of the most popular programming languages, each with its own unique features and use cases. Sometimes, developers need to convert Java code to Python for various reasons such as ease of use, rapid prototyping, or leveraging Python's extensive libraries. Online tools can facilitate this process by automating the conversion. Overview of Java to Python converters. Java to Python converters are online tools that parse Java code and generate equivalent Python code. While most converters handle basic syntax, they may struggle with complex features, libraries, or idiomatic constructs unique to each language. Popular online Java to Python converters. 1 Java to Python converter by Code Beautify. URL, Code Beautify, https://codebeautify.org/java-to-python-converter. Features: simple interface, easy to use, supports basic Java syntax. 2 Javelin. URL, Javelin, https://javelin.io. Features: primarily a web framework, but has tools to help with code translation. 3 Replace.it. URL, replace.it, https://replaceit.com. Features: an online coding platform that allows users to write and run code in multiple languages, including converting snippets. How to use an online Java to Python converter. Here, we will walk through using a typical online Java to Python converter, specifically focusing on Code Beautify. Step 1. Access the converter. 1. Open your web browser. 2. Go to the Code Beautify Java to Python converter, https://codebeautify.org/java-to-python-converter. Step 2, input your Java code. 1. In the text box provided, paste or type your Java code. Here's a simple example of a Java program that calculates the factorial of a number. Step 3, convert the code. 1. After you paste your Java code, click the Convert button, if available. 2. The tool will process the Java code and display the equivalent Python code. Example of converted code. The converter may output something similar to this Python code. Step 4, review and test the Python code. 1. Review the converted code to ensure its correctness. 2. You can copy the Python code and paste it into your local Python environment or an online Python interpreter, like replace.it, to test its functionality. Limitations of online converters. Complexity handling. Converters may not handle complex constructs or libraries well. Manual adjustments. Often, manual adjustments are needed after conversion to ensure idiomatic usage in Python. Performance. The generated Python code may not be optimized for performance. Conclusion. Online Java to Python converters can be a great starting point for translating code between the two languages. While they can aid in automating the conversion process, it is crucial for developers to review and refine the output to ensure that it meets the required functionality and adheres to Pythonic practices. Always test the converted code thoroughly in its new environment.